Hello viewers, welcome to Zero Solution. Today I am going to show you how to install IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition in Windows 10. To run IntelliJ IDEA, you have to install Java first and set your environment variables at first. I have already made a video on how to install Java and set environment path on Windows 10. Recommend you to watch that video first. At first, open your browser and in the address bar type IDEA download. Then this option will pop up. Download IntelliJ IDEA, the Java IDE for professionals. Click on this link. This website will load and you have to click yes, I agree. There are two versions, Ultimate and Community. Ultimate is enterprise development version and it is a paid software. You can try for free. You can see that here is the option free trial. But we want to install community edition because we are not going to use this IntelliJ IDEA in enterprise development solution, right? Just click on this community download button and your download will start shortly. You can see that my downloads is already started. The download will depend on your internet connection speed. Okay, my download is already completed. Just double click on this file, click on yes, and the setup wizard will come. From the setup wizard, click next. This is the destination folder where you want to install the IntelliJ IDEA. Click next. I want to create a 64-bit launcher because my system is 64-bit operating system. Click next. Install. Wait for a moment to install this software on your Windows. Okay, my installation is completed. I want to run IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition right now. So I will click on this checkbox and then click on Finish. Here you can see a configuration wizard is popped up. I don't want to import any settings, so do not import settings. Okay, you have to confirm or accept this license agreement. Click on the checkbox, then continue. Send usage statistics. From this option, you can select your theme, light theme or Darkula theme. I personally prefer Darkula theme, so I want to select this option. And I don't want any configuration, so skip remaining and set default. Click on this button and IntelliJ IDEA will configure your IDE. Okay, configuration is complete. So I want to create a new project. Click on this create new project, and from this option I want to create a Java project, right? So here you can see that Java is selected. Then next, then next, and here you have to name your project. Click on finish button. In startup, a dialog box will show tip of the day. If you don't want to see this dialog box, just uncheck this checkbox and then click on close. But I recommend you to first see these tips because here you can see many useful tips about this IDE. Close. Just click on this project tab. From this project tab, click on this drop down menu and from source, right button on source option, then new, then package. Give a name of this new package, then press enter. Package is created. Now right click on this option and then new and Java class. I want to create a class test. Press enter. You can see my class is created. You can test your IntelliJ IDE. Type psvm, then main method declaration will create. In this main method declaration, I want to print something. Just go to run and run this option. Click on this test. Wait for some times because you can see that it is building our project. Here is my result. Hello, you have created your Java project successfully. Now you can test and practice your Java program in this IDE. Thank you for watching. Please click on subscribe and bell icon right now if you like this video.